Alright. Get the mic over. Get the URL. Let's get the post. That's actually a link. Boopy scoopy. Very tired. It's gonna be a pretty chill live stream. Am I about to ping 2,500 people? Yep. Did I just do it? Yep. You turn 18 as of next year. Cool. Cool. And also welcome to the stream. Welcome, 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 and welcome. Put that. I need new thumbnails. Let's see. Hello. 747,000 downloads already on CurseForge. The number has started to grow exponentially, which is a really good sign. It means that people actually know that people exist. Don't ever say about time. Never say that. Yeah, also about time that how much time did I just spend on the last update and then the one that 18 port. Right. Should you know, support the Patreon and to support the TaC development time. Never just out of the blue say about time you did this. Yeah, about time something finally, you know, was finished. Oh, never mind. I was about to say, because I think you're the guy in Discord that yells a lot about like 1.18 port or something. Someone yelled about it a lot. No, I'm not dead. I'm tired though. I have a story to tell too. Once we get like, I don't know, at least 10 people, I'll tell it. Pretty much I went out and I found something extremely cool. I can't find the one part to make it work, so I ordered it and it's gonna be here at some point. And it's gonna be pretty sick. Alright, let's launch Minecraft. So long story short, I can already build the mod, and I was able to run it in my client. So I'm doing well. Yeah, I do sound dead. I'm tired. It was a really long day. 1.18 doesn't really have, I won't say it has better performance. I think the screenshot was, let me take a look. I'm pretty sure I took a screenshot of development. Yeah. This is without Optifine even installed. The performance isn't bad. I have a stuttering issue though, which I have a feeling is probably the CPU running on multiple chunks, like it's rendering multiple chunks with the multi-core CPU, but each of the cores are not very fast. They're second gen Ryzen cores, you can see the processor on the right side. So it's possible that it's stuttering, like the stuttering is just caused from like a mistime. It could just be timed wrong. But the actual like GPU utilization is definitely a bit better. However, the lighting system is a bit glitchy with the guns. And about the time the stream started, okay. I do apologize. That is my fault for accusing you. No, I'm Nerfall. I have not tested sodium though. Sodium may have, yeah, it should be like 1.18. I got help on getting the 1.18 port started though. However, there's still a bunch of like issues. There was still a bunch of issues I had to go through. So here's one of the worlds. Ooh. Anyway, so this is 1.18. I mean, it's probably not gonna run well. I have issues already. It's kind of because of the stream. It seems like dynamic crosshair does work, as we can see. However, some of the other crosshairs don't really work very well. Oh, let me see if I fixed this though. Keybinds, not keybinds. It's mouse settings. I need to add the crosshair. The crosshair needs to be customizable because if you have, what do you call it? If you have a crosshair that isn't like, I need to see. Okay, long story short, I can't change the crosshair to show you. But crosshairs other than the default Minecraft and this cool one, the dynamic crosshair that changes when you move around and everything. So if I do like double strafe and jump, yeah, okay. So if you don't have dynamic crosshair default, it's gonna just give you like a rainbow box in the middle, and you can't change it yet because I need to fix the customization. I have a list of what is errored. Long story short, you can reload. You'd be able to reload in survival as well. What you cannot do, you can't reload from rigs right now. There's a curious issue we need to also solve. So you can put ammo in here and you'll be able to store ammo. Like, what do you call it? It's gonna be there, it's gonna stay there, but you can't load from it. Like if I put, what do you call it? If I put all my QBZ 191 bullets in here, game mode, survival, and I'm about to turn on music, don't worry, because I know people are like me, ADHD. You can't reload from it. So I'm wearing the rig, you know, there's ammo within the rig. You don't see it right now. So that's a sort of quick fix. We got 10 people. So, yeah, long story short, I mean, just like 1.18 pretty much works. Okay, there's another issue. So scopes, the opacity of the lens up here in the front is low to the point the renderer culls it. So long story short, you can see like the dot looks a little weird. And then if I shoot, piece of poo-poo. So you can see when I'm firing, you can actually see the muzzle flash in the what do you call it? In the scope space, which you actually won't in the scope glass, which you won't see in the other versions. So there's already 2 bugs, and I have another list. For now, I'm just gonna. There you go. There's like more hip fire. Hip fire. There you go. Hit markers. So there's that. 10 people. Long story short, I went outside. There was someone was moving out nearby, and I decided to take a slightly closer look. And there was just a whole ROG laptop in the garbage. So there's no charger for it. So I did order a charger for it, and this could have become a perfect test server for TaC. That is a weird bug. That is yeah, it's probably because the fire rate is tied. It's not supposed to be tied straight with the animation, but yeah, probably from there. Alright, let's see. There's a bunch of messages. I have not used sodium. I'm gonna rest soon. What up? I'm not gonna be going through like what ifs for now. I'm like I have clear stuff to do with the 1.18 port. And I found my list. Bullet trails don't have color, so you don't see bullet trails right now. Unfortunate. Shooting under a torch, the issue is even worse right now, which will be fixed. Armored rigs don't work. Opacity doesn't work. TaC settings don't work, but I already know how to fix them. We're going to fix some of them. Translations are incomplete, and crosshairs don't render properly, which I showed. We're going to also fix that. So let me look at a couple more messages. Let's turn on the music. I got a new little playlist I liked. What do I call it? Does 1.18 have shader support? I mean, there is like Optifine. I have no clue what you're saying. I think that it looks to aim in that way. I'm a little confused. Anyway, let's get fucking to it. Let's get to it. I'm pretty slow, but I'm determined. So first on my little list that we're gonna do. Okay, the music a little loud. There you go. First on my little list, I'm going to fix the TaC settings screen. So we have a settings screen, and it doesn't like to pop up. So let's fix it. And then we have the TaC settings screen here, and then we have gun options, which is defined somewhere else. I mean, I can just find it. There you go. So we have ADS sensitivity, burst mechanism. So yeah, we have shit here. So out of all the options we really need, we need these three to exist. Yeah, I already grouped them up. So let's do some 1.18 FU Wucky Bucky Slucky Ducky Fixie and shit. That's not an easy one actually. yeah. Cool. Alright. This TC 1.8 shader support, I have no clue what you're talking about. There's like Optifine. For now, Optifine doesn't even launch with this version of TaC. Yes, the point of having 1.16, 1.18 is that Bose is to be supported. That's what I was talking about in the poll on Patreon. I think I talked about it in the TaC server as well and every stream before. What is it? Oh yeah, because I put like what I decided to stream, so people were gonna write gay. That's funny. Yeah, they're very original in the Discord. Just out of spite, because someone pinged me for it. I'm going to remove them. If I get pinged about some crap again, like they put some stupid shit and distract me from the effing stream, I'm just gonna kick you. As simple as that. You for the ping. Alright, cool. So shaders don't work yet. You can like run shaders, but scopes don't work with shaders, and they won't for a while. Alright, let's actually do this now. Crosshair handler, where does this come from? Oh, object, where is it set from? Oh, wait. That sucks. This is defined. Oh. We use mixins for this? Wait, no, that's crap. Okay, hold up. We have crosshairs defined here already. We have crosshair default. And then we also have the dynamic scaling, which was literally just working. Render, okay. And it's gonna tick, it's gonna change it, and then whenever you fire, it just scales it. Extends textured crosshair, which is something that we made. Oh, I put hit marker here. Yeah. Alright, well, that didn't need to happen. That's shader texture. So this is where it's set. Blend func separate. Oh. Well, this is probably what kind of broke the others before. Okay, so it's turned that off. Other than texture crosshair, we set this somewhere. So you register all of these. Cool. Dynamic scaling crosshair. So yeah, these are all just a bunch of images. So you see we give it like an image name. This is gonna be the texture. However, what I need is actually the implementation of the damn thing. So this is register a crosshair handler. Register ID to crosshair, put set crosshair. Right. Get current crosshair, set current crosshair, register. So it registers them. I do the crosshair. How is this supposed to be used? client handler, aiming handler, crosshair equals. Armor interaction, crosshair equals. Why do I have crosshair equals here? I'm thinking. I think the design team literally just removed them outright. I never wanted it. I had to put them back, but I don't know why they removed it. I'm pretty sure they effed up the code, so it doesn't even like support it or something. The safety was actually really useful. In Minecraft, there's a bunch of things you're actually not supposed to like attack, and if you attack them, accidentally fire your gun, for example, you know, you can like ruin your playthrough. That's why there's a whole safety, so that you don't blow shit up or like shoot something you don't want to shoot. But whatever, they just removed it. So it'll come back eventually, but for now, gotta figure this out. Register set nullable. So where's the event? On render overlay. Minecraft.get event. If it's set to default, else. Oh, then they're gonna render. What do you call it? I'll set canceled. Okay, if it's not first person. Okay, stack push stack. Then it's gonna render this in the middle. Crosshair.render. And it's crosshair. Crosshair is our thing as well. Crosshair handler.get. Cool. And this is just like a base class, so I don't really care. I don't know why the hell this is an object. Like, that's really freaking stupid. Why the hell is this an object? We have like a whole client, what do you call it? Crosshair handler for this already. Crosshair handler. Oh, wait, what? That. Why the hell is there this random object sitting there? Crosshair handler.get, get registered crosshairs value dot string can make sense. What is this value? Lambda parameter, what the hell? Value.get location. What the hell is this value? What is this supposed to return? Comparable resource location. Okay. Location. Okay, I can type it. Master vision for this mod? I have no master vision. I know what I want to do next after getting like API support and like 0.3 like nice and clean and working, so there's like less bugs. 1.18 is like what I'm working on currently, so that like people can play with guns in both versions, and people can start actually making add-ons with relative support and like not having to bash their head every time they have to do something. Once that's sort of like done, and then like, I don't know, I'll probably add some basic stuff before I move on to a complex piece, which I'm adding to TaC, at least as like a concept. It probably won't be in the same mod. It's probably going to be like a separated mod under like the timeless name, but it's literally just going to be adding like a bot API, and like they're going to be complex. The point is that those bots will be able to use these guns and also be complex enough to actually be fun to have in the game. Fun to fight against, fun to fight with, fun to have boss fights. Like, it'll kind of like, the whole point is it's going to integrate with TaC, but it's not just a TaC addition. It is bots that can do a decent bit, but it's mostly built as like their weapon when fighting using TaC guns. So it's still going to be a dependent of TaC. That's like, long story short. That's my what I want to do next. Like, I want to do that next. Then it's gonna set the crosshair, which is, what is this? Oh, it's supposed to be like this again. Get location. What the hell? Probably get path, I guess. Oh, it gives a string ID. So value is supposed to be what? No, shit. Return try parse, which is empty parameter. Returns resource location. Resource location, and then turns into this. Expected 0 arguments, found 5. Well, duh. custom NPCs kind of suck. They have no specific integration, and they're made for scripting. What about jumping into a world and having bots that are tuned and actually fun to fight against right away? Adding objective to the game, adding a story to the game. They'll be customizable as well, so you can customize them to make them easier, harder, have certain actions, make them more performant. Also, the idea is that people can make an add-on and use those bots. So what the hell? So this lambda, or like comparable, like how the hell is? I don't understand this is supposed to work. So this lambda, get registered crosshairs, returns a bunch of crosshairs. This is a comma. Get gun list option. Like how the hell? Ow. Alright, I want to think here. The lambda parameter. This is gonna try. Okay, I just need to continuously go through so I can understand them. I literally just explained exactly what you just wrote. A bot that can use the guns properly and be fun to play against and play with. No, why would adding like unload is literally just like a what do you call it, testing tool, and then like if you want to spam reload your gun. It's not meant to have any animation. We already have enough, like, we have nobody to make animations. Like, we have very few people who can actually do it. Why should we be giving them, like, more work, which means we're going to be adding less guns, which means it's going to take us more time to build those guns. Like, it's already plenty. We already have more animations we have to add, and unload's, like, pretty useless. Frick, I need to think what I actually need to do here. So it's supposed to use this value to get the location. So probably what's going to be returned is a crosshair. Crosshair. So if I do this, what can I do on gun? Get location. Crosshair. So it's probably this, and it's probably that. Son of a. Probably get location like this. It's a freaking method. I know Java. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, why are you blowing up now? Gunless option. I mean, okay, so what is this supposed to be? Oh, crap. This entire thing is, like, nuked. Well, no duh, it's gonna find, like, 0. It's supposed to be an empty constructor. Oh my god. It's so broken. Why? Why? Yeah, probably Java supplier. I don't even know. There's so many different suppliers. Hopefully it's the one that it thinks, and just keep going with it. Component Java, like come on, man. I don't have a clue. Yes, it can be nullable just within here. Super title. Expected 0 arguments, but found 1. E extends I resource location. Maybe this. Abstract widget. Oh crap. That still exists? Lucky me. Okay, well, option button. Yeah, no way. Seriously? They just renamed it button? I'm gonna get mad. I'm gonna get so mad. And all good, man. Oh, required type is chat component. Net Minecraft chat component. So instead of component, where's freaking component? I'm gonna get mad! I'm gonna get so mad. So where is this component? Where is it coming from? This title. Java AWT. Probably this. Oh crap. Wait, I'm dumb. Better. Figured it out. Figure it out. Required type option button. Wait, what? Where is this renderer? I'm gonna get mad. Well, yeah, it doesn't exist no more, so get screwed. Booped on. Get booped. Get freaking booped. At override. No. What's the name you're supposed to be? Create. I'm pretty sure it's just literally button. It's one of these. Get render, get supplier, get getter. Like what? Get title equals what the hell? How's that supposed to work? Okay, maybe. Okay, if abstract widget works. What is this freaking? Wait, would I even be overriding? It doesn't say override. Gun list option. Override what? I'm actually now I'm a little lost. Cause yeah, what in the hell would I be overriding? Also, if anyone was watching yesterday, we had a lovely stream where all my work disappeared. So the tool I used in order to get started on that work, I completely fucking gutted. It does not exist anymore. I will not be using it. It literally deleted all my work and I'm not letting it happen again. Okay, I don't know why there's override here, but we're about to find out. Oh, it doesn't even understand what's happening here. Okay, well, okay, let me see. I'm gonna look at the git. Just file history, uncommitted changes, fix codes. What do you do here? Well, he already he commented everything out. Port attempt. He literally just commented everything out. Extended abstract option, which actually still, well, it doesn't. He nuked the extends. Probably extends abstract widget, and that probably screw. Okay, well let's test the override now. Override, and then what access do I have? Set with render button. Render buttons very much sounds useful. Get render. I'm pretty sure it's render button. Render button, just like that. What? That's a fin name, right? Render. Fuck. Render. Alright, well, let's find it then. Render button. What is happening here? The post stack, and then these three, which doesn't make any sense actually, because what am I supposed to do with this? That's not good. That's just actually rendering it. Has all of this, which is what I need. What? That's component. Formatted text. That's what would be the text in the middle. Okay, and this is. Shit. They must have changed how buttons even work in 1.18. Yeah, that's so. And wait, I had this working a second ago. Gun list option, gun option. So now that kind of works. Well, gun percentage slider, extends progress option. Well, abstract widget, it should be option. Options list. What about this? This is probably better. Set focused. Add small. Get mouse over abstract widget. Get focus. Get scroll amount. Getting somewhere. Find option. Update set render header. Let's do render again. Get item max count. Why is that here? Render. Thinking, because it needs to be some kind of crate. If so, well, it's literally like options list. What's going on here? Options list takes Minecraft. What's other crap? Add big, add small, add scroll bar position, entry. Okay, what the hell? And then you gotta, oh, it creates the button for you. Oh, what the hell? I don't know what the difference between big or small is. It's probably like, how, okay, I see how that's supposed to work. I also don't see how that's supposed to work. So it would create a button every time, and then it would actually override the render for that button. Alright. It's gonna take an extra minute. Long story short, options list allows me to do everything I actually need. So it would actually look probably more like import. Takes that. So its inputs is a bunch of locations actually. Set render. I mean, yeah, this is like a complete utter mess. What I only really need is just all of the locations to be like set. Maybe can I adapt this? It would be nicer if I could just adapt this. We have set render. But I'm trying to break the problem down, but this is not looking good. The whole way that this list is created is completely abstract. And you see, well, abstract option. So if I just, maybe I could just put option, because abstract option sounds something. Create button. Holy shit. Found it. Wait. So we just have to still use this anyway and then do this manually? Okay, so as int component on press. Okay. So int. Set settings. Title. Not too far. Oh crap. Yay. I'll figure that out in a sec. What does it even need anyway? Oh, it needs the title. Well, that makes sense. Okay, so they didn't actually fuck with the button too much. There is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 1. So that should be tooltip. So this is a lambda of like what? This creates up to here. What the hell does it want here? So the idea is that when it's rendering, shit. How is this broken? This is my literal Minecraft code. This is code in Minecraft. It cannot be broken. Absolutely promise you. Alright, so the creation of this button itself. Son of a... Give me the whole word. Really? What a pain in the butt. Create button. Why is it only this? This doesn't exist. Well, let's find... Oh, am I even in the right one? No, I'm not in the right one. Son of a... Fuck. Okay, options. Okay. So on-button tooltip is this lambda, or this interface. So if I click in here, on tooltip, okay. Image button. Oh, an image button would be sweet. We should do that for TaC. That might actually, wait, that's actually interesting. Because this might be way better to just render those textures. I'm going to take a note. I'm taking a note of that. Image button. Cool. I'm interested in that one. Let's check chat real quick. What would I suggest to start learning? I like statically typed languages like C# and Java because it teaches you about types. But if you just want to get boots on the ground, start like learning anything, there's like MIT course. I think MIT courses, but there's courses on like Coursera, Udacity for like Python. If you take those pretty serious, you can learn like basic concepts of programming pretty quickly and easily. And once you kind of have a feel of like how to code in Python, you can solve basic problems. Then you can probably start learning like other languages. But they're definitely they're definitely pretty complex. So you need to spend time learning them. Mosh, I think his name. Like there's a YouTube channel, Mosh. Really good introductions to like every language conceivable. Stick to something mainstream so you can learn and have a bunch of examples to learn from. And that's the gist. Oh, let me see this. Okay, I don't know why. Like this tooltip. Oh wait, tooltip needs the button, needs the post stack, and then I have no clue what these two ints are for. So it needs a post stack. Wait, I don't even have the post stack. Wait. How am I supposed to use this? We don't pass it anywhere else. Wait, really? I need to provide it my own? That's gonna suck. Can I dodge it? Button post stack. What? No, post stack. Oh, what? Did it get mad that I newed up a post stack? What? Well, I'm giving it its like parameters. What is it so mad about? What the hell? I mean, am I doing this wrong? What? Okay, well that's also possible. Yes, I see that. I'm actually like, I'm pretty confused. So I create this button. It'll create this basic button. And the whole point of the lambda is to give it this tooltip. No tooltip. I could technically blow it up. And it would become a no tooltip. Well, that explains that it could be broken more so because of this int, and a component, which, whoops, that's the wrong thing. Component, and then button on press. Selected render get. This is just like set get new item. It would be nice to actually like, yeah, have the button run the action. This is setting the render crosshair value. It's actually a pain in the butt. Give it a title, then we have to give it the supplier. We need to give it the getter and the setter. Alright, I need to use the bathroom real quick. But this is gonna be rather complex actually. Where is that? Here it is. Gonna just pause it just a second. Alright, already back. I used the bathroom already. And, let me check. Where's, there it is. I like literally could not see anything. Yeah, sorry for the moment. No, you're welcome, man. Yeah, I just had to take a moment because I was like completely like, nah. I also need to walk away for a sec to kind of reset my brain because this new button is, gonna be a pain in the ass. And also, I'm doing the complete wrong thing. Should be a new option. Or should it be a new button? Crap. Abstract option. New option button. Well, option button is just the same thing. Option. No, I don't care. Option smoking. Well, button's pretty much what it is. Button on press. I mean, I'm guessing it's a supplier, or is it just a text supplier? Well, first it's a text supplier. Oh, well, this is get all registered crosshairs. Okay. Then get, it'll get, and then set, it'll set all of them. Well, I guess I just have to build, like, I guess fuck it. Let's build so it's button. It'll give us a button. Get, if list is empty, return. It just magically fucking works. Whatever. Whatever. I'm not even gonna try. Like, it already works. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it, man. How's the GUI component? Figure it out. I can live with that. There is, I mean, is there a texture manager I can still bind to in the same manner? Probably not. Bind for setup. I mean, sounds about right. Bind, get, preload, register, release, reload. Maybe we can use this. Shall see. Then we have to actually define that. Well, Boolean option, progress option, new. Okay, let's, what do you call it? This one we can probably just, look online or something. Yes, 1.16 is still going to be supported. We're supporting both. That's the whole point that 1.18 is taking a while, because we don't care about 1.18 or pushing forward. We care about adding stuff to the mod. So we're probably just going to be supporting both anyway. I do plan to stick to one version after a while, though. It's not like we're permanently stuck on 1.16 and then 1.18 and then 1.20 and whatever. You know, whatever after is 1.18. It's just, for now, I'm working on 1.18. I'm keeping it at that. For now, I'm getting this to work. And also, I could probably just check the way the option is used in Minecraft itself. And that'll probably tell me how, see, there's a cycle option, which is actually what I need. I need a cycle option. Cycle option audio device. Like, this is literally what I need. So I'm gonna make a comment here. And just we'll switch to cycle option in the future. If this doesn't work, obviously. Cycle option component, mismatched names. Auto suggestions. Cycle option of Boolean. Wait, what? That's how this works? Oh, what? Create one of. Seriously? That's how this is done? Create public static final cycle option Boolean. Wait, what? That is so much worse. provided option. How do I provide an option? What the hell? Sorry, man. It's a YouTube stream. Relax. We're chilling. It ain't that big a deal. Set though. I'm setting a boolean to this value. It should be option settings. So wait, create one of option, okay, function, and that's just the first option function is the getter, which makes sense, and then the second option is the setter. So the setter, I have access to what settings and value. How the hell is that supposed to work? I'm not making 1.12 TaC, if that's what you're asking. I have no clue what you're saying. Option of option. Like what am I supposed to do with this value? Like where does this value even come from? That's what I'm confused about. Okay, well, okay, let's see how it's used. So here's cycle option code. Here's the option. Create one of auto suggestions equal. Oh, there's a third parameter. Well, that's a bit better. Well, that makes more fucking sense. So let's just do this. So I have a feeling that this whole gunless option is gonna not fucking work at all. That's my yeah. Yeah. I'm not supported. Why would this not work? I don't know. Okay, well, let's Control Shift F the entire thing and then just search. No, crosshair itself. Probably also use capitalization. There it is. Oh, right. It doesn't even work that way. Right. Alright. Should I get that working? Yep. We're pretty much just getting 1.18 working. There's like a couple of things that needs to be fixed. Well, okay, let me go back to the list. What needs to be fixed? Like, actually needs to be fixed in order to work properly. Bullet trail colors, I mean, no bullet trails for the pre-release alpha, sure, whatever. Shooting at the torture is pre-release alpha, I don't care. Armored rigs don't work. I would like to fix those. Opacity renders, I should at least fix, like, the health. Some translations are incomplete. I think that's, like, mostly to do with, the empty reloads. The animation, there's a couple of animations, the implementations are fucked up. The Glock 18, for example. There is a good cinematic mod for Forge, and I made portions of my first YouTube video using it. However, it takes a while to like use it, so. You can, oh, what do you call it? Oh no, they removed it. You could have a gun in your offhand and a sword in your main hand. It'll hold the rifle in the back. But, like, we're gonna have a backpack that you can put guns on the sides of. And backpacks for options to hold multiple guns or more storage or have less weights and that crap. But that's also, like, way later, because, like, I don't care. Oh, shit. I'm in, like, what do you call it, survival. Hey, it works. Look, look, look. Guys. It all works. Okay, well, most of the crosshairs are, like, completely screwed up. See, it just renders a freaking rainbow square in the center. Now, I don't know why it does that, but watch this. All those suck. Except Box. Oh, Box doesn't even do it anyway. That's crazy. And, hey, dynamic works. Well, I'm just gonna. You guys have no more crosshair options. Screw it. For now, I'm gonna remove all crosshair options. And you guys see, there's no second mag in the G18 reloads. I need to add those back. I don't know if there's any other gun animations that are screwed up. I know it's definitely that one screwed up. I bet this works. What's even the reload of this? Oh, it's all single mag anyway, it doesn't matter. Is this fucked up as well? No, this is working. So you see, we already have like a gun animation working, and yet the other one's still screwed up. I'm never gonna shoot a cat. I'm gonna miss all my shots with my cat. Hip fire, the reticles, what do you call it? The hit markers are working. And I'm pretty sure the config is already like set for them. Maybe we will get a release. Stick around, guys. Stick around. Join the Patreon support development because I'm about to go into more pain. As you can see, bullet trails have no colors as well. So... First things first, I'm going to commit this work because the fact it's working is great. Alright, where the hell is, Oh yeah, I have a new Git tool. You guys want to see it? It's called fucking VS Code. Shut up. Don't use any other tool. Use IntelliJ, integrated Git, or if you want to be even cooler, use VS Code for as much as possible. Okay, well, VS Code as much as possible, that depends on what you're doing. VS Code's Git is really in-depth, so I can actually just go here. Stage all my commits, because all of them should go. Let's push it up before I blow up my computer. Oh, for people who are new here, I also, what do you call it? I was on a walk today. After the long ass day, I ain't gonna talk about it for now. I'm gonna talk about it when I'm actually like completely drunk, ready for sleep. It was someone was moving out and they had like a bunch of crap out, and one of the pieces of crap they left out was a fucking laptop, an ROG Strix laptop. It's got some pretty decent specs according to the model number. I don't have a charger for it though. I ordered the charger and it's going to be here within a week. So, it may blow up, by the way. The charger may blow up. It may also not work at all. But, gaming. Let me see. Give me one moment. I'm going to text someone. Very important. All right. Let's actually, All Alright, I'm just gonna say yay! Also, you see this whole section on screen in it, so this whole, the mouse settings screen, we add these new options you can see here. This one's for the video settings screen. Wait, we forgot to test if these exist. I'm so dumb. Actually, well, wait, before I do that, G18 and TTI Glock. Oh. I blew up. Reload from normal mag. So this is the condition that renders the extra mag. So there should be a standard mag, and then, oh, is animation running? Well, duh, that one's not gonna work. Oh. That should have actually worked, what I had before. Let's see if that is what is missing. I'm just vibing to music right now, guys. Chilling on a Sunday. Oh shit, I have school tomorrow. I'll have to figure that out. Maybe I'll grind some out before I go to bed. But I am pretty freaking dead. Oh, so yeah, happy Mother's Day. Although the entire day I was celebrating it, I just completely forgot, and then I saw a post and I went, oh. Okay, I'm pretty sure the other magnet's not rendering on time. Literally looking for that extra mag. Alright, I'll figure that out. Okay, it means it's not working. DR for scopes. Oh, I can't even exit this. Oh, I can escape it though. That's crazy. Pressing the button doesn't work. Okay. Why does that not do anything? But then these do stuff. Also, clean no crosshair. Yeah, that's called no crosshair. Look at this. Oh, of course, this is gonna work in the 1.18 port. Oh, thank God. Thank God my no crosshair doesn't render a glitch crosshair in 1.18 where it doesn't freaking render crosshairs. I also homeschool for my high school, so I do all my work at home. But I still need to actually do it. So, you know, 11:30 p.m. So it's timely enough. Oh wait. Wait, how the hell? Wait, why does the condition exist at all? Wait. Something's completely messed up. So if there was no... Wait, what? Okay, so extra... Wait, no, extra mag should be below. What the fuck am I looking at? I made a complete mess of this file on top of everything. So someone... First person animation running... Okay, push pose, pop pose, pop, push pose. Well, this is if I need to push the pose at all, and then I can pop once I render the whole thing if I need to. That should work. Why was that so broken and dumb and stupid and dumb? Also, did I have any exceptions when I was clicking that button? I loaded in config file change, setting notification, okay, setting pausing game, blah blah blah. I'm gonna say I'm from the East Coast of America. I am a U.S. boy. Yeah, we all chilling here. We all like Minecraft guns and have some shit to talk about. So yeah, you guys can chill. I'm gonna focus a bit more on the project and try to get I do want to get a release done by today. Because it's gonna propel like everything for the mod. Like having a released version of 1.18 for TaC is gonna be absolutely crazy. That's not why I'm making gun mods. Why did I make gun mods? I don't know, I just like shooter games. I always played shooter games as a kid. I don't own any real games though. Real guns. I plan to though. I've learned so much about firearms in this time. I know exactly what self-defense weapon I would have. And my stance is own a gun. If you're gonna live in an area that you're allowed to own a gun that's actually reliable and gonna protect who you love. You don't need any kind of 50 cal Barrett crap. I don't care about that. I care about like an effective firearm that when you need it, you're gonna use it, and when you use it, it's gonna do the fucking work. Alright, other than that, it seems like there's no real errors. I just don't know why this, like return auto suggestions, like cycle option boolean, this should kind of work. Gun list option, cycle boolean, create on off, and then, well, okay, if I were to go to option and let's grab chat colors. Oh, chat color is probably on and off. Well, yeah, okay, all of these are on and off. That's what a boolean is. A boolean is literally like a true false, yes, no, 1, 0. Literally, computers are all based on a boolean. Oh, and it just works great. So this turns into this dot auto suggestions returns. So it returns my config get. That makes sense. Settings option value. So my setting, which is actually my config, equals the new value, and then I save client config. Why the fuck does that not work? Is it because like this screen I had? Yeah, double render does not exist. I don't know why is raw mouse support. Like I don't know why this is. I don't know why there's like a condition here at all. Just run them all anyway. Yeah, sure. Init. Add small options. Bow 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 bow. Add small. I mean, yeah, add small. Then it's an array of all of these. Oh, I see. It doesn't have a clue what it's doing. I mean, can I just add the 1? I mean, I literally don't care. Oh, the options list is a thingy-majigger that's supposed to allow this to work. Okay. So how do I add it? Stream options. Okay. Well, I guess here's an option. Please add it. And this is like existing in a void. So let's blow it up. Let's blow up. Throw a grenade. Grenade out. Give children guns. I guess so. I guess so. I mean, kids just want to shoot shit. I mean, they like explosions on screen and they like to play shooters. The thing about TaC is that you can play shooters in Minecraft well without having to fuck around too much. Ah, yes, recoilless launchers. Carl Gustav is going to protect my home. Little grape shot at the top of the stairs. Yep. I don't care about enhanced AI. Timeless AI will be a real fucking mod. Screw whatever enhanced AI. Watch a high schooler fucking build it better. That's big words I'm gonna try to live up to. I'm gonna work for it because it's gonna be a huge design challenge and I am daunted as fuck to start it. Reloading? Just switch to your pistol, which switch to your sidearm. It's always faster than reloading. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, well I don't actually, wait, what? Okay, why are these things like wait, enable DR for scopes and enable DR for scopes. What the hell is going on here? Both of them don't work. Okay, do I have a scope? Any gun with a scope? I should probably get a gun with a scope and try to use it. Sure, an L can. So you see an L can. It's an L can. Yeah, it's not flipping anyway. By the way, BG-191, the Chinese, the newest Chinese, not battle rifle, assault rifle, they're attempting to equip their entire military, along with its scope. Pretty cool. I just like it. It's like super realistic. It's literally like, this is literally the kit. It's actually a little, alright, let's actually blast that bunny over there. Lots of breathing, actually. Oh, we're shooting low. Switch it to single fire. There you go. I mean, it definitely isn't the most accurate gun, but it shouldn't be that bad. There you go. 2 shots for that one. Yeah, good evening, Nico, my boy. Oh, cool. I didn't see those 2 retextured guns. You should post them in the showcase. Currently, I'm dealing with broken stuff. Cycle option. Boolean. Oh, that's the same thing. I'm like, okay, what? Yeah, it seems like our config is not. Wait, the config is not even setting at all. That's even more annoying, actually. Gun options, yeah, set. Why wouldn't it set? Can't set sites eventually. Poopy post. Don't make poopy posts. I mean, I don't actually understand like what's wrong here to any extent, and it's kind of breaking my brain. So what is it supposed to be? Oh, it's supposed to be like settings. I know there's settings, but settings is like not something I care about. Oh wait, settings dot. Settings dot set. How do I do this? Settings dot. So what I'm supposed to do is freaking settings. Settings is like its own thing. Save config and then like settings save, or maybe I can do it the other way. I mean, I'm just pretty confused what the hell the problem is, because the config is already set up here. Why is it everywhere actually? Oh, it's there too. Well, here it works. Crosshair dot. I mean, I'm thinking about just maybe rebuilding the option. I don't want to kind of like, it should just work. Fucking work. It's work, damn it. What should I do this? No, it's gonna get mad, obviously. It doesn't care. The fact is, it's gonna return that. Like, this is literally the code I'm looking at. Return the current state of the setting, update the current state of the setting. The idea is, once you fucking set it, it should just set. It should go true, false, true, false, true, false, true, false. It should be simple. Just like that. Maybe it's because we're using this custom screen and it's not like, it's not working properly. Maybe it's something to do here. So he made this work. Oh, actually, that should work just fine. Okay, well, if I were to add override, okay, override, yeah, like that. Is there anything that I care about? There's TaC. Config dot save. I'll save client config. This is literally just loads client spec. Okay. All right, let's try this for example, because I'm pretty confused what is like wrong. After this, I want to try to like execute an error, and we're gonna have to do some custom logging to make sure the button's at least like registered, because I can see like the hover at least. Minecraft knows that the button exists as a button. But yeah. Ah, very chillin'. Hyper chillin'. Fucking load it now. Alright. Let's go straight to setting it. Fucking hell, why does it not register the goddamn click? You see, it's like hovers, but then you click on it. And it does fucking nothing. Why? There's nothing stopping it from being a cool button, doing cool stuff. Needs to override, like what? What does it want? What does it want from me? Message. Medical special key hack, BLT after mouse mode. Minecraft. GUI get event listen, Jesus Christ. Is it focused? Close. Should actually know if a goddamn button gets clicked. Like, it shouldn't need all this mouse stuff. That's so dumb. What the hell am I supposed to do with this thing? Okay, okay. Screw it. So yeah, option subscreen. This is what I use on close. On close. Well, it doesn't even take the button at all. Okay, to go, what do you call it? Video settings screen. When you click a button, stuff changes, right? Old maps, options list. So it creates literally this option list, which has all the options, right? Okay, so let's go to graphics. And here's the options. Cycle option graphic status. Well, this is a pain in the ass. I can see that. Render distance, prioritize chunk optimize simulation distance. Primary limit. Enable VSync. It's a fucking boolean. Look at this shit. Set VSync or not. It's simple. Enable VSync. And then update. Tells you to do VSync or not. It's that simple. There's no special code here. Options of chat, options of VSync. Like, what's happening here? I mean, maybe these options don't exist. Like in translation, and it blows up because it expects it. Totally possible. I don't expect it. And actually, look at this. Reflections literally happens. So the fact that we can even do like reflections and it works. TaC setting screen, like it literally. Like on GUI chain. Wait, what? It's too epic to work. Oh, that would be lovely if it was true. I don't cry. All right, what's happening here on GUI change? Get screen instance of control screen retriever. Oh, okay. This is our custom keybind handling. Input handler if it's attachments. Okay. Set some. Okay. Idiots. Fuck. So I can add this into an existing screen, but it won't let me do it in my own screen. Like, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Mouse setting screen. That's how it looks. There's all of its options in it. This is actually probably what they started with to make this work. Just defined int. I blew up the whole thing just like that. I'm cringe. Hyper cringe. Okay, well, let's see what's actually happening here. I create this new options list, and this options list I add my options, add small. Well, let's try this. Fuck it, man. I'm not cringe. I'm just a little too based for you. Had to do it. Had to blow up some eardrums. Wild man. It's literally 11:52 on a school night. That's my answer. I'm literally watching. Oh, there's a bunch of cats now. Hell yeah. That's pretty much it. Watching some shit on my phone, which is literally just a cat fucking dancing. Alright, let's test it. Luck, because I'm running another instance of Minecraft. How the fuck is that possible? It's possible because I kind of fucked up. So I think the one on the far left is probably the first instance of Minecraft. Close, please. Thank you. Yeah, okay, try now. There you go. Yeah, you could run multi-threaded Minecraft by literally just running multiple Minecrafts. Delcan's probably my favorite to use site. Yo! I'm better. I'm better. We did it. I'm literally better. That's why you look at existing fucking code. Also, I mean, that's some. Oh, that's why I count my 1x, so it does this. Alright, that makes sense. Whoa. 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 I never had. Oh, and I turned it back on. Oh, so much better. I was like, that felt cringe. Yeah, okay. The cringe is slightly minimized. All right, so I understand how. Let me make sure this works, by the way. I was going to test if the J18 works because I supposedly fixed it, and I don't want to be like, it's not fixed. There you go. Look, it's doing it. I'm so much better! Yeah, watch a high school take an hour to make a... yeah, it was almost an hour. However, I know how it all fucking works. Because this stupid init needs all this other crap. It doesn't need this raw mouse output. It can just be empty, actually. Stream of, yeah, new option of empty to array. Like, it does not matter. It does not need that. It needs this fucking... It needs this, though. It needs this UI done with an action. Because it tries to auto-click it. Excuse me. Ooh. Before I forget. Where's all those Ooga Boogas? I'm gonna blast them. I'm gonna destroy the Ooga Boogas. There's not gonna be any more Ooga Boogas in my chat. Crosshair handler. Look at all these Ooga Boogas. They thought they're gonna stick around? No. TaC Crosshair also seems to work because it's rendered. It's code. So. Better default? Like, no. It's just default, dynamic default, clean no crosshair, and TaC. Oh, wait, okay, well, I'm not gonna run it. I'm not gonna run it right now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first push it. To use code. Fucking hell, it's 7 more characters! Alright, in order to fix that, I'm gonna just... Stage auto commence, there's nothing to hide. I'm not programming cat girls. I have a real girl. I don't need them. I don't need a... Now it's a magical girl, but she got cat ears. Fucking, like, come on. I'm good. I'm good, man. For now, all of these I'm considering to be broken because they don't even... I think all of these actually need code to render. Like, texture crosshair doesn't... it doesn't work properly. Mostly because dynamic texture crosshair probably... Because it probably needs this, honestly. It probably just needs that. Okay, it's probably more complex than just instantly fixing it. But point being, use cooler crosshairs for now. I don't care. I literally don't care. Alright, I know how those work now. That's cool. Because they work already, and I'm never going to remember them. So, yeah. Yeah, imagine not liking real women. That's crazy. Okay, what else is broken? Scope. Okay, so scope glass, their opacity. I don't really care to fix right now. What the fuck I just do? I don't care. Bullet trails, no color. I mean, I can probably figure it out, but I don't want to sit here and on stream and just trying to figure it out. Shooting under a torch, I mean, yeah, I don't even know where that's caused from. So I'm gonna probably see, I think CGM may have a fix for it, and I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the model loader. Oh, wait, no, it could be the light. Whatever, I'll figure it out. Armor rigs don't supply, that's, yeah, it needs a lot of testing. Opacity renders, settings are rendering properly, translations and crosshairs. Okay, I mean, honestly, we can already do a pre-release alpha. I keep turning to my left and seeing just a random laptop on my fucking desk, and I keep getting confused. I'm putting my phone on top. It's official. It's mine now. Alright. Just transparent window. I fixed by just removing those crosshairs. I'm just gonna actually take these notes right now. Well, take these notes. I do. Ready? I mean, is there anything? I mean, do you guys care about We make the models bigger in third person. Not really, because most of the guns would literally go through blocks, and why the hell do you want that? You guys can make it bigger in third person if you want, but it doesn't really matter. Do you want a bunch of guns piercing through blocks, or yeah, I mean pretty much that. And also, I think that's because this is like their 1x scale. I'm pretty sure if I open Blockbench, and if they're not, they should be all at 1x scale. If they are not in 1x scale in their third person, also, by the way, that's a gun. You should be, if you get on the fucking Thomas Discord, we have this gun shown off there. Like, it's shown off, like, you know, it exists now. I'm pretty sure he's going to be 1x in third person. Oh, that was third person. The scale is actually 0.275, so for a pistol it actually looks just about fine. I don't know like what guns would look too small. So here's that. That's actually like right. So I don't know what guns are too small, but I don't know what y'all talking about. The Smith & Wesson for sure is fine. That rifle that's shown off is fine. QBZ 191. Is that an old model? That's not the old model. I wonder. That's also pretty much fine. Like, remember, these Minecraft models, they're huge. They're blocky compared to a bunch of circular and smooth humans. When we make a gun model, scale of an actual gun model, and have it a little more blocky, it's going to be only a little bit bigger because it's actually upscale. We have the scale at only 55. Like 55% of the model scale. And if I were to, like, I'm pretty sure I have to hold shift to do this. What the hell? Yeah, okay, I'm doing it correctly now. So if I were to do this 1 by 1 to 1, which is the model scaling, yeah, the third person doesn't even, like, ain't even that large. I mean, you could do that. Yeah, sure. I don't need to really explain much more. And there's also like 07. And if I do that, that's a bit bigger. But then also doesn't really matter compared to what was it? It was like 05. Yeah, it was 05. 05 is actually reasonable. It's not going to go through blocks. It actually matches the size of his arm. And it's probably to scale even. Like it doesn't matter. It's not that big a deal. There you go. There you go. Alright, they have an even bigger problem, technically. I'm not even gonna do it on stream, because it's such a... Fixing the... Okay, Kuros, like, getting Kuros to work properly, took me so many fucking hours before. I don't plan to do it right now. I don't plan to do it. But then if I don't plan to do that, then like what needs to be done? Crosshairs done. Okay, translation I don't care. Opacity renders are minor issue. Okay, well let's see something. I know in the animation controllers there could be inspect empty. No, and actually it's kind of that's set properly. Well, let's see in the JSON files. No, the JSON files. If it's also defined properly, okay, it's all it should be. Well, if that doesn't work, then I don't know. I don't care. I don't care to look into that right now. Shooting under torch, bullet trails, TaC doesn't really matter. All right. I'm gonna load. I'm gonna put the development gun in Kuro Combat Util. I'm actually gonna ping your Yours the one is okay. There's 3 guys, which I'm gonna put in. I'm gonna find a spot to put them. I'm gonna also ask them. Oh lord, that kid is going crazy. Okay, where's yours though? I'm gonna give him a little pink stripping. Alright, sent him a ping. I know there was one issue, which was actually loading this in Optifine. So, player model mixing, yeah, he spent some time to build this. Oh shit. So there's an opcode error, which means I need to find. Oh look, I have a bunch of, what do you call it? That's the thumbnail of this video. Or this video of this stream. Looks pretty cool, huh? I like it. Alright, good night, man. Alright, where the hell do we need to go? Yeah, I'm gonna try to fix the Optifine crash issue so that you guys can at least play with Optifine. And then, let's build and release the mod. It's gonna be pre-release, so there's a bunch of bugs I literally didn't fix. It's midnight, go to sleep. It's 12:08 midnight. Let's get this released, and then I'll go to sleep, which I might do after some school. I'm gonna see if I have to do anything emergency for tomorrow, which I doubt. But I was out all day today. I didn't even do anything. So, yeah. Anyway, where the hell am I? Oh, shit. Wrong one. How the hell do I go back? I don't know the keybind. I still don't remember the keybind. Oh, I need to get into the logs. I'm gonna guess. Okay, well, the first launch of today, which is actually like today. That sound about right here. Just extract here. I don't care. It's probably gonna hurt your eyes, guys. I'm very sorry. Is this like 1.16 stuff? Testing 3.6. Well, like, what version of Minecraft is this? Oh, Charming Dimension. Yeah, that's my own mod. Yeah, that's not. No. That's too far back, apparently. Wait, but 5.4? 5.4 is, like, literally today. So, like, I kind of want my file. Mixing the living servers at Optifine. Oh, Java 17. Oh, that's much better. That's the newest Java version for Minecraft 1.18. Yeah, okay. I kind of knew this was gonna happen. Client living renderer mixin. Player model mixin. Living entity renderer. Local capture field. What did it actually crash on though? Ah, the fucking white. Z mixins, critical ejection failure, expected Z, FFFF, found FFFZ, available FFFZ. What the hell is Z and F? Thinking. I'll search this online real quick. Maybe something like this. I haven't actually. Oh, well, there's something. Alright, this is still kind of a huge pain in the ass, though. Critical injection failure, LVT, and... redirect. Okay, well, this one's kind of beating my ass. I mean, the problem is it's probably being redirected. It's probably trying to then apply it, and it doesn't know what to do. Because you can't simply just redirect and... now this is gonna be a tough one, again. Oh no, I've gotten to the deep dark web. I've gotten to the deep dark web. So there are these little identifiers here. So I'm trying to understand where these map to. Are these like the parameters of my method? Define what you actually want to know out of the laser attachment. And then there's going to be a flashlight attachment eventually. You know, lighting in Minecraft kind of fucking sucks. Render type. Well, this doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Actually, post stack here. Oh crap! I should probably keep this like open. So post stack and then LNet. I don't actually have any LNet Minecraft client render. I don't even have that model. I don't have any renderer grabs. So like broke. You don't even understand. Print. Maybe like don't fail hard. Maybe let's just print it. And then let's try to build and then try to run it. Hip fire accuracy. The IR laser adds even more hip fire accuracy and has higher single fire accuracy, which allows you to do single fire at the hip more accurately as well. Alright, let's get to call it. Can open logs in a new window like this, and then I can open this old one, and then can have the mods folder open, PRA all, and then we grab the PRA all from, I'll find it, TaC libs PRA, and it'll build it on time when I need it. Just now, I literally built it, so we can then go here, it'll override, which is cool. And then we're gonna open Minecraft itself. Ooh, look at my cool Minecraft username. One 18, baby. By the way, I literally make a post that I'm gonna fucking stream like 1.18 release work, and like not that many people have joined. Total views at least. Not that many people joined. Which is surprising because the amount of people asking for 1.18, it's like I'll get like 10 pings a day pretty much. Random DMs, like this kind of crap. We actually finally like deal with it, and then like nobody cares. But then every update should release for free, no matter how much time we spend towards it as well. It's like at least like supports during the development time of the mod. Like, come on, getting screwed up here. It's late as hell. You can sleep, man. It's a VOD. It all goes into the VOD. Watchable at any time. Good night. Hey, welcome. Riksaki. I actually don't know how to say your name very well, so I'm gonna try to attempt it. Riktasi. Riktasi sounds fun. Yeah, the guy that sent up $50. Yeah, welcome. Thank you. Thank you for popping in. And now we're in actual Minecraft release 1.18. And the G18 reloads properly as well. Wait! Does this have Optifine loaded? No. I don't think so because... Yeah, no, it doesn't. Wait. Okay, that was the whole point of the test. I'm like, wait, it did not just work. I got it. Cool. Riktasi. I must actually deleted. I'm gonna check my recycle bin real quick. I'm pretty sure recovery drive. I don't got no recovery drive. Yeah, let's restore you, look, bro. All right, let's rerun this. Pretty much what I'm gonna attempt. There's an issue with we have to adjust. We have to mix in do you call it? Like the models, we have to adjust the models on the fly so that they hold the guns properly. And Optifine wants to do something with those models as well. Getting a clash right now. And holy shit, the mod is 42 megabytes. Compressed, by the way. A jar file is compressed. Also, Minecraft just loaded with Optifine, which it didn't even do before. It didn't even get past the like splash screen. I have a feeling it's because I pretty much literally told it, don't break if you break. So we're about to find out. Yeah, we found out. Ooh. Hoo, hoo, hoo. I was so excited. How did that even happen? Like what actually happened? Encounter exception, add a region ticket, level type, blah 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 blah. Maybe that's Optifine again? Did I download the latest? I mean, that's like fucking Optifine. I'm gonna... Let's try a different version of Optifine, I guess, because I don't know, something feels broken. Wait, what? Excuse me. Wow. I broke. Yeah, let's try 1.18.2. There's only one other version. That's great. We're gonna try to run this instead. I have no clue what caused that issue. It has something to do with the multi-threaded rendering of the world, though, so I might turn that off. Because that could also be my CPU encountering an inner exception and breaking, and like, oh, breaking, malforming something or whatever. Here, everything can be errors. So I'm gonna try to avoid as much as possible. Alright, this older version of Optifine downloaded. Slightly smaller, which makes sense. Alright. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to load into Minecraft. I'm going to turn off multi-threaded world rendering just to test. Then, I mean, if it works without multi-threaded rendering and the moment I turn it on it breaks again, that's going to suck. Because that's kind of a cool performance part of 1.18 and sort of the whole point of like updating the mod is for new stuff. So I think it's going to load just fine. hell is this song? Not a clue. Is my car stuck loading, or is it okay? Online, right on. Oh shit. Yeah, there's a bunch of this stuff now. Yeah, I have no clue what's going on here. Alright, well, I'll even be nice, I'll create a whole new world for it. Now, if this breaks, fuck. That's gonna really suck. %? Come on. No way. No way. Oh my goodness gracious me. This is a renderer. What is broken? How did... That fucking sucks. Okay, well, we printed like... crap. Oh, crap. Alright, so logs. You gotta debug log, and then... I only... Fuck. I only log it. Like, it literally only prints the error. It doesn't even tell me, so... I guess I should literally just control F for mixin. Alright, well... If it crashes, I should at least know when it does. Bunch of optifying crap. Does TaC ever get to start applying its mixins? Okay, there you go. Starts getting through. Compatibility level, Java 17. Specified by the mixins, cool. Compatibility set to Java 17, any mixins. Processing. Wait, it just goes through? Rejected containers. Oh, secure jar resource. Okay, well. So Curious is only half working. Cool. There's some. Start. Okay. Well, let's start actually using like TaC shit. Like, where is the TaC config? Mixing. Common living entity mixing. Alright, mixing. Cool. Item frame renderer does it. This is the one that's crashing. Mixes. Microstatic. Item person render. Item in hand renderer. Mouse hand player model. It just freaking does it. It's not even an error. Oh my god. That fucking sucks. It goes through as if there's no issues. Oh, no. Okay, that really sucks. Loading configs client. Cool, whatever. It doesn't exist yet. So the recipe exists, but not anything else. It doesn't even create the world yet. Okay, I'm gonna see what's happening here. Maybe this error is already known because there's no way for it to just magically. Game crash when I joined server is the same thing. Alright, well that doesn't help. Hey. Shit. Not even a tick loop, it's like ticket type. So the breaking change in Forge 40.1.64. Okay. I think this is Forge's fault. Fuck it. Forge 1.18. It seems like Forge 1.18 is still ever expanding because this is really... I recommend... I mean, what version of Forge was I using? 4.2. Okay. You know what? Fuck it. So 4.2 is the recommended. I'm installing one that is even older. Cause I'm actually done. Because I think this is a Forge fault. This is not my fault. If this is literally Forge's fault, then that sucks. Because that means I fucked up. I should have just installed an older version. Like the recommended. Not the latest. I installed latest thinking that it would be cool. Let's install Forge together. Whoa. Oh, the only reason I'm gonna do this is because I see a bunch of people complaining about breaking changes in 1.18 Forge, and it's fucking constant. I could also try to set up Optifine for my environment, like development environment. But if I do that, I'm gonna do that tomorrow because there's special shit I need to do, and it's a pain in the butt, and it's not fun. It's like not a streaming thing, in that sense. No, actually, seeing Minecraft run is a streaming thing, but not what I have to do. What I have to do to get Optifine to run the development environment. Let's try. Alright, that's the older version. Yeah, I understand. God damn it. Yeah, let's hope it actually works. Pretty good. That's pretty good that this is a Forge issue that breaks the way that Minecraft works internally or something. So far, I don't even see Minecraft launching, which is a great sign. It means stuff is happening. Oh, it is happening. 100% CPU usage. Holy shit. Okay. You need the CPU. I get it. Alright, I kind of pretty got how that works, because if it's not a Forge version issue, then fuck. The only other step I have is to load Optifine in my development environment. And if even that doesn't work, then I'm gonna get screwed. Pretty good. Let's delete this, like, not even generated world. Pretty good, 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 pretty good. Cross your fingers. I'm crossing my fingers. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pretty good, pray to God. Pretty good. Pretty good. Please do it. Why? Are you fucking serious? The same fucking issue. Okay. So all I changed was this. That magically changed it. Actually, do I have the mixin plugin? Like, okay, well, imagine I like cut this, right? Copy that, and then that's because I freaking cut the damn thing. Okay, so it actually does see. Okay, so that mixin is like supposed to be correct. Okay. I don't know why TaC and Optifine are doing this. It's like a tiny little mix. Okay, so you don't even affect it. God damn it! Why? Why did this to me? It's the old log file. That's my own stuff. Okay, most recent debug. All right, take a look. See here. Pre-class available. Blah 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 blah, and then it crashes. How is that even possible, actually? It's not even something TaC can do. Oh, well, I guess probably should be like this, at least. Probably a better search term. I mean, I might have to just end the stream because this is like no one's getting any cool information. It's a bunch of 1.18 fucking crashes. I mean, I wonder. Wait, that disable is literally just. So just disable Optifine. That's what people are saying. All right. I'm gonna look in the Optifine server. Wait, it should be in it. Here it is. Announcements. .1. Alright, I'm gonna search here Because I know there's well, there's like the latest Optifine and then 1.18. So let's search for like 1.18 newest. Not support in this. In Optifine. Are you serious? It's gonna search in the whole fucking server. And isn't fucking hashtag. Are you serious? Optifine. Yeah, in Optifine updates. 1.18, блядь. You know what I need? Just want to see the. What? That was the last thing he said. That's not the last thing he said about 1.18. Come out with a foot. Holy shit! Okay, what? The forged version I need to use is 2 years. What? What the fuck? Thank you, Mr. SP61. He's actually a friend, I know him. I'm really mad though. Look at that. If you have Discord, open that. That is such an old ass version. I've been testing like newest, latest, greatest shit. Oh my god. What version even is this? Oh my god, I didn't even copy paste it properly. No. Oh no, I found it. Oh, by the way, it's like pre. Okay, I'm looking at pre's. Oh, it's not that much better. It's not that much better. Yeah, there it is. Alright, I'm copying this message link. Unlick? Oh, unlick, no. The crazy sender. Alright, so yeah, the forged version that I am supposed to use for Optifine to not instantly crash is 2 major versions below. Are you... Why? Not many people even watching. There's like 2 people watching. This is the crazy hour. I'm like actually crazy now. Got a half working, not actually working at all laptop with no fucking charger. I got no headache yet. Surprise. I forgot to take my allergy pill. I'm gonna literally like die tomorrow. This has been 3 days in a row. One person joined. Welcome. I forgot to take my allergy pills, so now I'm gonna die. Not simple as that. Wow. Okay, those allergy pills don't knock me out within the next couple of minutes. I don't know what will. And you just whoever just joined, 1.18, TaC is probably just simply not working because of Optifine. It's actually probably working just fine. I probably should not have installed Optifine. I can't talk, man. I cannot talk, man. Here it is. Yes, I understand the risks. Just fucking do it. Alright, if this works, guys, I'm gonna cry. Framework. Nope. Cannot. Okay. Times of Classic should not depend on any framework version, like any framework like version out of its versions. Right. So, where's framework? Fuck it. Framework. I'm gonna literally download the oldest version of framework for 1.18. We kind of need it. We can probably go without it at some point. I have like the oldest version of framework now. I had to type some stuff, pretty much some notes explaining my anger. I totally created like an entire freaking what you call it It just doesn't work, by the way. I'm gonna cry. Oh, I'm gonna cry. I'm reading, what do you call it? The notes for framework. Literally buffer right touch grass. I love it. Oh, framework includes the open model format. Nothing. Send a message to the TaC team. Alright, I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna actually cry. So we need now a slightly newer version of Forge in order to run framework. Okay, I'm gonna install this slightly newer version, and if this breaks compatibility, you see, literally 32. Literally 32. So if this doesn't work, I'm gonna install now the 32 version. Okay. If this doesn't work because Optifine freaks out because it's too new of a version, I'm going to actually split my nuts. Okay, I'm joking. I cannot split my nuts. It's impossible. It's like splitting a gravity well or splitting a fucking black hole. It's impossible. But I'm going to get very mad. And then I'll probably reconsider having a dependency for framework at all. This is my last resort. Like, if this doesn't work, this means that having this stuck as dependency, like, is not gonna work. It means that we need to vendor it somehow. I'll probably have to, like, if it's what do you call it? I need to check the license for framework. Vendoring it would probably be the best way to not get blown up. Wait, does he not have this open source? Shit. Oh no, it's out here. Multi-loader setup, that would be so sick. There gotta be a license somewhere. Alright, installed. This is my very, very, very last resort. If this doesn't work, I'm indeed going to fork framework. That is a possibility. But it's likely gonna happen if if we have to vendor framework just to get past this restriction, I mean, it's not gonna really suck. But it's not something I really want to do because I want to maintain. Like, I literally want our fork. Like, if we have to create, fuck, it's such a pain in the butt. Just hope it works right away. Let's just do that, guys. Because vendoring framework is going to be kind of sucky. However, it is possible. I just feel kind of bad about it because, like, I kind of wanted to step away from using Crayfish's stuff. But framework is a powerful tool. And I'm pretty sure Mayday Memory are pretty much the guy, like the brain behind much of the animation system. He's been interested in 1.18. So I'm pretty sure he's interested in 1.18 because there's a new model format in framework, which can help us create better, more accurate models in this sense. Like, we can create models with any rotation limits, and there's also like other features that we can implement with this as well. Just pray to God it works right now, because if it doesn't, that's going to be a huge problem. It's going. Yo. It's doing it. Okay, this is the oldest version of framework. This is very fucking limiting. But if we can at least shoot guns, at least I can let you guys play it. Alright. At least I can let you guys play if this works. It loaded us somewhere. Yo, this is sick. Okay, let's let the world generate a bit. Performance threaded. It's not gonna blow up. I have 300 FPS. Yo, that's sick. Okay, I don't usually play this game with such good FPS. Unfortunate. All right, let's pick out a nice gun that's some range. This kid is tactical. What the hell? What am I looking at? Oh no! Please tell me it's just this gun. What the fuck? Are you kidding me? Yeah. Well, you just joined the stream to watch me leave and end the stream. Oh my. Okay, so Timeless and Classics does not support such an old version of Forge. However, Optifine requires a super old version of Forge. That's so fucking stupid. Okay, I'm not hunting this middle ground. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna vendor the framework library and figure out if there's any mixins that require the newest Forge specific features. I think that's the only way to do it, okay? Love you all. Join the Patreon. Help support Timeless and Classics development, because what the fuck? What the actual fuck am I looking at? That should never happen. The fact that that happened is just okay. Good night, guys. I'm sleeping. Yeah, big ass F. That is crazy. That is crazy. Thank Mr. Crayfish too, because framework is probably gonna help us actually build this mod faster for 1.18, but we are indeed not ready. Because if Optifine doesn't even work properly, like that's a huge like performance benefit is having Optifine working at the same time. So yeah. No, that was a video game just screwed me out of a lot of time. I'm blowing it all up. All right, later. I'm turning off the stream. That's enough. Good night, everyone. Patreon support